ReplyWorker AI is a game-changing software that just hit the market. And today we're going to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about it before deciding whether it's the right tool for you. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or entrepreneur, ReplyWorker AI promises to make your life easier with automation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why this tool is one of the best just released AI software options to hit the scene. Now, here's the deal. You can try ReplyWorker AI completely free through the first link below. That's right, no strings attached. This gives you a chance to test it out for yourself and see if it's a fit for your needs. But stick with me here because I'm going to give you the most crucial insights, and trust me, you don't want to miss the last point. First up, ReplyWorker AI is designed for automating outbound messaging, specifically for email and social media interactions. This is huge because the more you can automate, the more time you save. If you're trying to grow your business or brand, this AI is going to be a game changer. Instead of spending hours each week responding to inquiries or manually managing customer interactions, ReplyWorker AI can handle much of that for you. It automates personalized replies, saving you time and energy. But here's where it gets really interesting. ReplyWorker AI uses advanced machine learning to ensure your responses sound natural, conversational, and tailored to each individual. This is a huge step forward from the generic robotic replies that we've all come to expect from automated systems. And what's even better? It adapts and learns from every interaction, continuously improving its ability to provide better responses over time. Now let's talk integration. This tool is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing systems, whether you're using CRM tools, email platforms, or social media management software. The setup process is straightforward, and once it's up and running, it works in the background to free up your time for other tasks that require more of a personal touch. That's one of the reasons I recommend it so highly. It doesn't disrupt your workflow, it enhances it. Another powerful feature of ReplyWorker AI is its ability to handle multiple channels at once. Instead of hopping between platforms, ReplyWorker lets you manage everything from one dashboard. You can set up automated responses across email, social media, and even SMS. This unification streamlines your communications and ensures you're not dropping any balls. But wait, what about analytics? You might be wondering how well ReplyWorker AI actually performs. The software comes equipped with detailed analytics, so you can track engagement, response rates, and even customer satisfaction. This is key when you're using automation in a business context, as it helps you optimize and refine your approach over time. Now here's the secret sauce: customization. ReplyWorker AI isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. You can customize your message templates, fine-tune the AI's tone and style, and even set specific triggers for when automated replies should go out. This means you get to keep control of your brand voice while automating the repetitive parts of your communication strategy. But perhaps the biggest draw of ReplyWorker AI is its scalability. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a large team, this tool can scale with you. You can start small, automating a few messages, and as your business grows, you can ramp up the automation to handle more inquiries, more platforms, and more data, all without sacrificing the quality of your customer interactions. As I mentioned earlier, you can try ReplyWorker AI completely free using the first link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've learned which ones truly stand out, and I've curated a list of the best AI software options in the description for you to explore. So if you're looking for a way to automate your communication without losing the personal touch, ReplyWorker AI could be exactly what you need. Don't miss the opportunity to test it for yourself, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.